All right. Everybody's checked. Thank you, Dave. All right, everybody's checked. Turn marshals are set. 8-minute main. Everybody goes on the tone in 5. Nice clean start so far. Oh, pile up. Dude, we had a fast young buck on the pole there. All right, let's see where everybody's sitting here. Looks like Robert, Rick, Tyler, Steve, Troy, Dwayne, Billy. Ooh, big old pile here. This has changed everything. Steve now on the 1 spot. Tyler 2, Dwayne up to 3 now. Rich 4. Robert 5, Billy 6. Tim 7. Troy in the 8 spot. Steve got that last drive there, it'd be good. He's holding that lead there right now. Getting ready to hit the straightaway. Tyler that 2 spot, Dwayne 3, Robert 4, Billy 5, 6. Troy's up to 7, Tim falls to 8. Looks like Robert and Dwayne are starting to catch him, man. Look how Tyler's going. Billy up in the 4th spot now. Robert 5. Rich 6. Troy 7. Tim 8. Oh, turn marshal. He's crossing the line there. Tyler. Oh, end of the straight. Crossing the end of the straight.
Way to go,
Go wide, go wide, go wide.
Threw me right into the pipe. Put him over the pipe. Way to go.
Alright, he's still in that 1 spot, holding it down. Billy up in the 2 spot now. Troy in 3, Tyler 4, Tim 5, Robert 6, Rich 7, Dwayne 8. Sorry, we've got 2 minutes down, 6 minutes to go, driver, so plenty of time. Billy, you're 3.8 seconds behind Steve. You just crossed the triple, you're right behind him. Steve's across the start finish line. Here comes Billy right behind him. There's Troy right in tow. Tyler in the 4th spot. Tim 5, Rich 6, Robert 7, Dwayne 8. With 5 minutes, 30 seconds to go. Oh, caution in the center there. Between. Oh, turn marshal. There we go, between. There's your leader over the back tabletop. Hitting the steps in the straightaway now. Billy right behind him in the tabletop. Troy right behind Billy. Puts the pressure on him. He's trying to get on cruise control.
5 minutes
cool, calm,
left.
and collected. Wayne settles down a little bit, it'll be alright. Lead over the back double. They're hitting the single tip to the triple. Billy hitting the back double. Troy in the back double. Tyler in that 4th spot hitting the back double now. Steve on the step down to the straightaway. With that D4.1 world time. Thought about getting a race a bit after this win. I think it's not going to change. Alright. Billy hitting the triple. Putting a little bit of pressure on Steve. He's crossing the start finish line now with 4 minutes, 15 seconds to go. Second place here, you're ready to hit the single triple. Steve over the back tabletop. So Billy's starting to gain some ground on him. With 4 minutes to go, driver.
4 minutes left.
And Billy's opened the gap up on Troy now. Oh, Robert now in that 4th spot. Tyler fell to 5. Sorry, Tyler fell to 6. Rich in that 5 spot. Tim 7. And Dwayne having some difficulties in the 8 spot. He's trying to hit some lap traffic here. Billy right behind him, not too far. 3 seconds behind him. Billy's got quite a lead on Troy now. Troy, you're 4.5 seconds behind Billy. Robert, you're 1.1 behind Troy. He's right in front of you. Here's your leader now. Start finish line. Billy, you're 2.6 behind Steve right now. He's just starting from the triple. So he's right in front of you, gaining one. With 3 minutes to go, drivers. Steve hitting the straightaway. Billy hitting the straightaway. So Billy's really starting to put the pressure now on Steve. Both now. The back double, Steve's hitting the single. Now hits the triple. Billy hits the single to the triple. Steve in the back tabletop. Billy back tabletop. Steve now across from the start finish line. Billy's starting from the start finish line. 1.4 seconds behind the leader right now, Billy. He's just 1 turn in front of you. With 2 minutes and 29 seconds to go. So your leader right now is going down the straightaway, close to the start finish line. Billy got hung up on the pipe. Billy now hitting the start finish line. So Billy's got 3.4 seconds up. Behind Steve there, caution on the straight. Go inside on the straight, inside on the straight. They're cleared. All right, your leader across the start finish line. Billy across the start finish line. Billy's 2.4 behind the leader right now. With 2 minutes to go, drivers. Overall, a nice clean race so far. And here comes your second place. You're 2.6 behind the leader right now. Steve's crossing the single to the triple. Oh, leader got caught up in some last traffic. Left the door open for Billy. The leader across the start finish line. Billy, you're 1.6 behind the leader right now. He's going to hit the single. Now hits the triple. Oh, turn marks on the center. Billy hit a pipe again with a minute 15 to go. Billy hit some light traffic. That's a big door open now for Steve. With a minute 10 to go. Billy is 5.9 behind the leader right now. Troy on the lead back as well. So 2 and 3 right over the triple.
1 minute left.
Sorry for stay professional, not laughing at the color commentator on there. Hey Chris, can you move to the right? There you go. You gotta move a little bit more, bud. There you go. Oh, Steve caught some left traffic there. That gonna leave the door open for Billy? 5.4 behind him right now. Troy, you're 1.6 behind Billy. Caution in the center, caution in the center. Tyler hung up on the pipe there. They're running order. Steve, Billy, Troy, Robert, Rich, Tim, Tyler, and Dwayne. Billy, 5.3, 15 seconds to go. There's your leader getting over the tabletop to the back step. Hitting the straightaway. Second and third place hitting the back tabletop, so it's a tight race between second and third.
Car 1 is done.
Troy, you're finished.
Car 5 is
Tim, you're
done.
finished.
Car 3 is done.
Robert, you're
Car
done.
1 is done.
Tyler, you're done.
Car 6 is done. Car 7 is done.
There's your winner right there.
Car 2 is done.
Billy Bruce. Billy in second, Troy third. Robert fourth.